Dow Jones Industrial Average posting a gain of more than 150 points today. For more details on the market action, let's go to Deborah Kostroun at the NYSE. Deborah.
Thanks a lot, Pim. And if we take a look at some earnings coming out after the closing bell first, it's a pretty big one. Walt Disney reporting fiscal first quarter profit that beat analysts' estimates as TV revenue rose and theme park results stabilized. Now, Disney was able to keep that theme park revenue flat as they attracted a lot more visitors with discounts. Here in the extended trading session, you have Disney up just very slightly, just 0.1% in the extended trading session. Getting back to this big rally on Wall Street today. Stocks rallying, sending the Dow back above 10,000 on prospects for this bailout of Greece. The Dow did not close on the highs of the day. At one point, the Dow was up 231 points, but hey, we'll take closing up 150 points after the kinds of sessions we've been seeing lately. And one of the things that we saw in Monday's session, the thing that brought the market down was financials. But today we saw a turnaround in those financials, mainly because of this news about a Greece bailout and the financials making this turnaround, gaining 1%. And some of those stocks really performing quite well, like Wells Fargo, also Bank of America doing well. But it was really the materials that led the S&P to the gains on the day. We saw gains in metal prices. In fact, copper rising for a second day in a row for its biggest advance in 6 weeks, and that helped out Freeport-McMoRan. But also you saw stocks like Dow Chemical gaining 6%, one of the leading individual gainers in the S&P on the day. Monsanto gaining 2%. They got an upgrade at Bank of America, which cited attractive prospects in their corn seed business and also an improved outlook for their Roundup weed killer. Crude oil rebounding near $74 a barrel. That led energy stocks higher as well. Oil headed higher ahead of a report due out tomorrow on inventories that may show diesel and heating oil supplies fell last week. And Coca-Cola reporting a fourth quarter profit that met analyst estimates. The stock rallied even though North America saw declining volume sales, but that was offset as sales by case volume grew 29% in China and 20% in India. And as we take a peek into tomorrow, we do have more earnings before the opening bell from Sprint, also Wyndham Worldwide. After the closing bell, we do have Allstate and Prudential reporting those earnings.